This jump demonstration shows how to conduct a two-sample equivalence test for means. We're using the coding data from JMP sample data folder. A two-sample equivalence test helps determine whether two means are close enough together to be considered practically equivalent. To conduct one, go to Analyze, Fit Y by X. Put your continuous response variable into the Y response role, your categorical factor into the X factor role, and click OK. From the report window, go to the red triangle and select Equivalence Tests, Means. Specify your test parameters, including the null hypothesis difference between means. Here, we'll specify a value of 3, meaning that a difference smaller than plus or minus 3 points would be considered practically equivalent. Once you've specified all test parameters, click OK to run the test. JMP displays the results of an equivalence test using the two one-sided t-test approach. Here we see that the mean for product A is approximately 1.78 points lower than the mean for product B. And this result is statistically significant, with a max p-value of 0.0048. But note that, unlike a traditional t-test, a significant result here doesn't indicate evidence of a difference between means, it's actually the opposite. That's because the null hypothesis in this test is that the difference in means is at least as large as the null difference that we chose. Again, that was plus or minus 3 points in this example. So rejecting that null hypothesis leads to the conclusion that the true difference is smaller than plus or minus 3 points. That is, leads to the conclusion of practical equivalence. The forest plot below can help interpret the results. The x-axis represents the difference between means, and the blue region corresponds to the region of practical equivalence. The observed difference between means and the 90% confidence interval on that difference are contained entirely within the blue region, indicating practical equivalence. See the Equivalence Tests red triangle menu for more options.